GETO Steel Tunnel Formwork System is a large module forming solution designed for fast and accurate residential construction. It allows walls and slabs to be cast in a single pour, greatly improving forming quality and turnover efficiency. It is ideal for apartments, villas, and shear wall housing projects. Designed for standard housing units and stable structural forming. GETO Steel Tunnel Formwork System mainly consists of the formwork system, the support system, and the connection system. Additional auxiliary systems include lifting platforms and exterior wall operation platforms. Large-size modules reduce joints and enhance forming accuracy. This system can also be applied to various structure spaces such as staircases and elevator shafts. To ensure stable forming performance, every component of the system is designed with precise structural details. The adjustable base allows precise leveling and stable ground support. The push-pull prop provides stable lateral adjustment and enhances overall structural rigidity during installation. With its reinforced structural design, each prop can withstand up to 30 knots of load at a 36 degrees working angle. The through-wall screw, together with the nut and square pad, provides reliable lateral resistance and secures the formwork during concrete casting. The wheeled prop, equipped with a solid steel wheel, enables smooth stripping and easy movement of the tunnel formwork unit. GETO Steel Tunnel Formwork System delivers stable forming quality and consistent construction results. Its integrated module design shortens the construction cycle and improves turnover efficiency. With fewer joints and simplified supports, it significantly reduces labor intensity and enhances overall project productivity.